Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Acorns. Acorns is a popular app that helps you save money by automatically investing small amounts of change from your daily purchases. But how much money does Acorns take from you? Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about how Acorns works. Acorns is a robo-advisor, which means that it uses algorithms to invest your money for you. When you sign up for Acorns, you link your bank account or debit card. Then, Acorns will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $3.50 on coffee, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. Acorns offers a few different investment plans, each with its own fee structure. The most basic plan is the personal plan, which costs $1 per month. The other plans are the family plan, which costs $3 per month, and the premium plan, which costs $5 per month. In addition to the monthly fee, Acorns also charges a management fee of 0.25% of your assets. This means that for every $1,000 you have invested in Acorns, you will pay $2.50 in fees each year. So, how much money does Acorns take from you? It depends on which plan you are on and how much money you have invested. For example, if you are on the personal plan and you have $1,000 invested, you will pay $13 in fees each year, $1 per month plus $2.50 in management fees. Now that we have a better understanding of how Acorns works and how much it costs, let's talk about whether or not it is a good investment. Is Acorns a good investment? There are a few things to consider when deciding whether or not Acorns is a good investment for you. First, you need to think about your financial goals. If you are trying to save money for a specific purpose, such as retirement or a down payment on a house, Acorns may be a good option for you. However, if you are looking for a high-yield investment, Acorns may not be the best choice. Second, you need to consider your risk tolerance. Acorns invests in stocks and bonds, which can be risky investments. If you are not comfortable with risk, you may want to consider a different investment option. Finally, you need to think about the fees that Acorns charges. While the fees are not exorbitant, they can add up over time. If you are on a tight budget, you may want to consider a different investment option. Overall, Acorns can be a good investment for some people. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how much money Acorns takes from you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.